Okay, check out these bad boys. These are the two hammers that are going to go up on that hammer shock. And this one here is about 24 inches long by 10 by 6. And we got 10 inches by 15. And anyway, I forgot what the other one is. So anyway, we got these two big badass blocks. So this one here is going to swing along that radius, and then this guy, you can see the notches there, and there goes on the back side. So I don't know if you can see well with my finger, but that far post, there's a little notch. That's T-bar. That T-bar will slip in between those two pieces, and this one's just going to drop straight down. This one's going to swing again along that radius. Now we got some holes tapped. This was a pain in the ass having to put something that long in the machine, and we ended up putting it in a lathe, doing it that way. Now here's your little secret I want to show you. So you'll see that it's kind of tapered, and as this thing is machined, it just starts at the flat spot and then goes up and incrementally, and that's what gives us this really cool looking edge here. So this one's not finished like this one's finished here, but I wanted to show you a little trade secret, how you can get something that's almost radiused. Look at that. Very cool.